Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to configure a tree map widget in a dashboard using Bold BI. Let's first do an overview of the tree map widget. A tree map widget is useful when you want to visualize large data using proportional shelves and color scales, when you need to display hierarchically structured data, and when you need to display the magnitude of the major categories. It allows you to quickly perceive the items that are large contributors to each category. Let's start configuring the tree map widget. This dashboard displays KPIs related to the oil and gas industry. I am going to recreate this well by status tree map widget for your real-time experience. For this dashboard widget's configuration, I have added the oil well summary data source. Let's take a quick look at the data in the data source designer, and also you can check the expressions used under the expression designer. Next, let's start creating the widget. I drag the tree map icon from the toolbox into the design panel. Then, I resize the widget. Under the Properties tab, I provide a widget name and description here. You can see the Data tab open with the available columns from the connected data source. Here, I bind the wells count field under the Measure Value section. I apply a distinct count aggregation function for the column and formatting for the Measure Value section. Next, I bind the Status Mode column in the Dimensions section. Once configured, you can see the widget data are rendered properly. We have successfully configured the tree map. Let's apply properties to the widget under the Properties tab. Under Basic Settings, by default, the Show Tooltip option is enabled. You can disable it if needed. Next, I apply advanced formatting with the individual mode option to show color variation in each category of data. These are the default properties applied while configuring the widget. You can also enable or disable the Show Value Label option based on your need. Now, the widget is successfully recreated. Let's publish the dashboard to save the changes. This Wells by Status widget visualizes the data as rectangles, with the color scale denoting the number of wells in each status. I will show you a few dashboard examples that have tree map widgets as use cases. In this sales lead tracking dashboard, this tree map widget is used to showcase the major contribution of industries to holding accounts. In this Sales Manager Summary dashboard, this tree map widget is used to visualize total revenue by company using its proportional shelves and color scales. Next, in this Sprint Management in Agile dashboard, here in this tree map widget, you can see hierarchically structured projects and priority categories based on the incomplete tasks count. Using tree map widgets, you can understand quickly the items that are large contributors to each category. Please leave a comment with any questions you may have or if there are any additional features you would like to see in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.